Your diet plays an important role in maintaining normal eyesight and minimizing risk of eye problems. Is it possible to improve your eyesight naturally with juicing? Let's discuss. Hi friends, I'm Ivy. Please subscribe to my channel. And please press the bell icon for regular update. And share it with your friends, maybe it will help him. Best nutrients for the eyes include vitamins C and E, beta-Carotene, Lutein and Zeaxanthin. The antioxidant effect of these nutrients helps in averting age-related disorders that lead to loss of vision. As fruits and vegetables are the concentrated sources of eye-friendly nutrients, regular intake of juices help in supplying the essential nutrients that nourish the eyes and inhibit the activities of free radicals. Juicing is also known to help in improving vision. For people with weak eyesight, it can even help in arresting further weakening of the eyesight. Here are some ways to improve your eyesight naturally with juicing. 1. Carrot and sweet potato juice. Carrot juice is an excellent source of beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the human body. Vitamin A minimizes risk of night blindness. It is also known to maintain normal tear production that keeps the eyeballs moist. Juicing helps increase the bioavailability of beta-carotene. Sweet potato is another rich source of beta-carotene. In addition, it contains vitamin B6 that helps in maintaining healthy blood vessels. Ingredients. 4 medium-sized carrots. 1 sweet potato. 1 cup pineapple chunks. 2 medium oranges. Method of preparation. Peel the carrot, sweet potato and oranges. Pass the carrots through the juicer, followed by sweet potato, pineapple chunks and oranges. Stir to blend the juices well and drink immediately. 2. Citrus fruit juice. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is known to reduce risk of cataracts. They are also good sources of the antioxidant compounds zeaxanthin and lutein. To strengthen your eyesight, for better result, instead of drinking the juice of a single citrus fruit, combine a variety of citrus fruits. Ingredients. 1 orange. 1 grapefruit. 1 lemon. Method of preparation. Remove the peels and seeds of the citrus fruits. Pass each fruit through the juicer. Blend the juices and drink 1 to 2 hours before breakfast. 3. Chicory juice. Chicory juice helps in maintaining healthy vision. It is especially beneficial for the eyes affected by myopia. It is rich in vitamin A and other nutrients essential for maintaining the health of the optic system. To further boost the effectiveness of chicory juice, it is blended with juices of carrot, celery and parsley. Ingredients. 75 ml chicory juice. 200 ml carrot juice. 150 ml celery juice. 75 ml parsley juice. Method of preparation. Blend the juices and drink. 4. Broccoli and cucumber juice. Green vegetables like broccoli and cucumber are rich in nutrients that nourish the eyes. To maintain healthy vision, drink green juice that contains a variety of vegetables. Ingredients. 2 cups of broccoli florets. 1 cucumber. 1 zucchini. 10 stalks of asparagus. Method of preparation. Process the broccoli florets through the juicer, followed by cucumber, zucchini and asparagus. Whisk to thoroughly combine the juices. Drink immediately. Thanks for watching me, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. And please stay tuned for more.